1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's create a grease pencil outline for a object. So it's very similar to that outline I showed you earlier. But what we're going to do is we're going to delete this cube, X delete, Shift A, and we're going to add a monkey. So here's the monkey. And we're going to do Shift A, and we're going to add a grease pencil. So grease pencil, here's blank. So it needs to be blank. So we're going to do G, so there's the grease pencil. Now let's go to the camera view. We want to go to our grease pencil, go to modifier, and what we want is the line art. So the line art is going to automatically draw for us. So we can select the collection we want, or we can select the object. In this case, it's the monkey. And we're going to select the layer, and we're going to select the material. And we can see it creates it for us. So here, we're going to do add modifier. We're going to do subdivision surface. Just kind of make it a bit smoother. Click on the grease pencil again. So there's a bunch of different types that we can do. There's the style, there's the face marking, there's the chaining, but essentially the way you can kind of think of it is Blender with this modifier, it's drawing onto the monkey. So instead of us having to manually do that, the grease pencil is doing it for us. So if we render it, let's do render image. This is what it looks like. So we have a really nice 2D outline. Now this does take a lot longer than the trick I showed you earlier on the basis that every frame Blender has to calculate, where should it be doing the outlines. So if you really want to make it look like a cartoon, what we can do is click on the material here for the monkey. So click on the monkey, click new. And what we can do is just a basic emission texture. So if we have principal BDSF, click on this guy, emission. And let's say one's fine, but let's make it a bit brown. Like this. And now if I do render image, we can see that looks like a cartoon now.